Hi everyone!
Welcome to Psycho Talk.
So, I am Refinisa Amelia Fajri, but people know me as Refi, and my partner.
Cindy Lira.
Today, our guests come from Jakarta State University, majoring in psychology, and coincidentally, they are from class of 2024. So, please introduce yourself first, guys.
Okay, hi, I'm Luna Nashwa Akila Ali, but you can call me Nashwa.
And my name is Wilda Khaira, you can call me Hilza.
And I'm Hana Utami, but you can call me Hana.
Okay, because our guests are all psychology students, so today we want to talk about the world of psychology. Speaking of psychology, what field are you interested, guys?
Personally, I'm interested in social psychology.
And I'm interested in IO psychology.
I'm the same as Filza, I also have interest in IO psychology.
Wow, that's really cool. You already have an idea of your future career will be like, even though you're still in freshman.
Yeah, they are really cool, Sin. By the way, how was your experience during the first semester, guys?
So far so good, but I had an experience when I had to decide a title with a group project. My opinion was different from the others. So I decided not to express my opinion and follow the others because I don't want to be different and I'm afraid.
Okay, from your experience, I have learned one material in social psychology.
Oh, really? What is it?
It's even more fun to discuss, Rev. But before getting into the podcast, because it's very suitable for the field of Nashwa interested, so Nashwa, can you explain first what social psychology is?
Of course. So, social psychology is the study of how people think about, influence, and relate to others. Social psychology can also be defined as people's behavior and mental process are shaped by the real or imagined presence of others. The focus of social psychology is the fundamental properties of human existence, its social nature. Social psychology interested in how individuals influence groups and how groups influence individuals. Moreover, one of the foremost contributions social psychology is an understanding of how powerful situation shapes people behavior and mental process.
Okay, thank you, Nashwa. So, Filza experience is related to terms of conformity, where you adjust dominant opinion so you feel safe.
Wow, this feels like a flashback, yeah. How about you, Hannah? How was your experience during the first semester?
So far, I've been doing well, but there are times when I have to do my assignments and I just do as it is and think that as long as it's done, then it's done. But there are also times when I have to do group assignments or working in a group and I see my friends are seriously working on it to get good results. It motivates me to give my best.
Oh, it means because of the presence of other friends and seeing the result of their work, your performance improve, right? So I think in social psychology, your experience can be classified as social facilitation.
I think so too. They really bring out my best.
As for you, do you have any social psychology experience?
Of course, I once met a plan to hang out at a mall with my friend, but when I got there and met my friend, I immediately noticed how cool and eye-catching her outfit was, which totally different from mine. In the end, I felt dissatisfied with the outfit that I wore.
Oh, is that social psychology term cognitive dissonance?
Oh, it's about cognitive dissonance terms. I think it's about social comparison term.
So, which one is correct? Okay, it is a social comparison, yeah, but specifically a word social comparison because I compared my outfit with my friend's outfit, which is better and cooler.
It turns out that you have a unique experience in social psychology. By the way, guys, because we're discussing social psychology, I also want to share some trending news, guys. The news is very relevant to our topic today. Is it okay?
Sure. What news do you wanna discuss with us?
Okay, so yesterday, Revi and I read the news about UBL students who insulted another campus. And finally, the video went viral on social media.
Oh yeah, did you know this viral video, guys?
Oh, we know it.
Okay, as far as I know, in that video there are two students from Bandar Lampung University who insult and compare various aspects of the Dharma Jaya Informatics and Business Institute, from the security guards, the vehicles there, even the ceramics floors.
That's right. In fact, these two UBL students are famous for their achievement because they got scholarship. But it turns out the behavior is less.
Oh, I see. Can this case be categorized in terms of social psychology, specifically in ethnocentrism and attitudes? Because in the video, the two students express their own feeling, their opinion about an object. In this case, the object is Dharma Jaya Informatics and Business Institute. And they also feel like their campus was better than the Dharma Jaya Informatics and Business Institute.
Yes, this is also includes cognitive dissonance because students who ridicule other campus experience tension between their belief to respecting other people, which is contrary different from their belief. It makes them encouraged to seek justification and to change their attitude.
Yeah, this case can also be classified as discrimination because two Bandar Lampung University students took unjustified negative actions against the Dharma Jaya Informatics and Business Institute by distinguishing various aspects.
Wow, you guys immediately understood. Cool. So, Hannah, what do you think about this case?
In my opinion, this one case is not good to emulate, and I think this one case is giving example of aggression. Aggression itself is divided into physical and verbal. I think this one case is verbally because they mock or demonize other campus while recorded and uploaded, which can cause a conflict between two campuses.
Yes, I agree. Even though the UBL had apologized and be forgiven, if I were the UBL, I would still embarrassed and afraid that people will judge me.
Well, that's right. I'm worried that the UBL student will experience stereotype trait. That is an individual fast-acting, self-fulfilling fear of being judged based on a negative stereotype of her or his group. Because they're afraid about the public's opinions that all the UBL students who don't even participate in this case have a bad character without considering another aspect. And consequently, people have potential to attack them personally.
Well, your answers are really cool on today's podcast, guys. But unfortunately, our time is almost up.
Well, I still want to discuss about it, but maybe in another occasion. So before this podcast is over, I want to conclude that social psychology is a study of how people think, influence, and relate to other people. So maybe some of you guys have the felt same things with our friends told us here. But you don't know what you're actually experience in your social environment. So hopefully you can be helped.
Okay, thank you so much, Nashwa, Hannah, and Filza for coming to our podcast today. It was super insightful. Keep up your great work, guys.
Thank you for having us and have a nice day.
So that's all for our podcast today.
See you in the next episode of Psycho Talk. Bye!